Who is the most qualified professional to author a legal description? Many years ago, I had a practitioner say, attorneys write legal descriptions and land surveyors write land descriptions. Now that may be kind of a tongue-in-cheek joke or some kind of dig against attorneys, but in essence, it's true. Because as we talked about in prior videos, a modern legal description should be based on a new survey, include the controlling cause as the primary text, and also include a closure report. Real property attorneys should absolutely write the conveyance, the deed or the easement or the lease, but attorneys do not have the ability, the professional capacity to do those three things about modern survey, legal description text, and closure reports. So in essence, the professional land surveyor is the most qualified professional to author a legal description. But how exactly do the majority of legal descriptions get written? Well, imagine you're buying a house. So you are Johnny and you're buying a house from Susie. So Johnny hires a closing company. The closing company goes to Susie's deed and simply copies and pastes that legal description into your conveyance. Well, how did Susie close? Well, Susie's predecessor in title, their legal description got copied and pasted from the previous deed, from the previous deed, from the previous deed. And I've seen deeds where the legal descriptions were over 100 years old and never rewritten. Even more dangerously, I've seen legal descriptions where they've been copied and pasted so many times, pieces of the original legal description were left off of the new conveyance by mistake. So in the end, you need a modern legal description. A legal description that describes the property as it exists today, not as it existed 20, 50, 100 years ago. And the best professional to do that is a professional land surveyor because they're familiar with the principles of land surveying, such as the priority of calls, junior senior rights, following the footsteps of the original surveyor, and following the documented record of conveyances. And if you can put those principles of surveying and conceptualize them into the elements of a legal description, then you are going to have a quality legal description that fully and accurately describes your property. Because writing a good legal description is one of the best ways you can protect your property rights.